Hey everyone, it's Holly. Valentine's Day is coming up soon, so I wanted to share with all of you some fun traditions that we always enjoy. We love doing things with hearts. We always do a craft project. Then on the actual day, we enjoy heart-shaped food all day long. It's not a real big gift-giving holiday for us, but I always make sure to put together something fun for my kids to enjoy. Let me share with you right now what I have put together. This is what I normally do for gifts. I use these treat bags and fill them with a variety of things. I do add a little bit of candy. I don't go crazy with candy, but what is Valentine's Day without chocolate? Always add a little bit of chocolate. And then I got this 4-pack of holiday themed pens, one for each of my kids. I like how each of the styles are different, and when you press on them, you can see there's a different message. This is something that I know my kids will enjoy. I bought these at Walmart and paid under $2 for all 4 of them. It's nice when you can buy a packet of things and split them up amongst your kids. Also, I got each of them one of these little plush toys. I got these at Dollar Tree. I got a few of these Fidget Toys. I bought these ones at Target. I paid $3 each for them, but you can also buy these on Amazon, and I'll provide a link for them in the description box below. But these are great. My kids always enjoy playing with these sort of things. I love how you can just bend them up real small and they fit great in the gift bags. I also got a few of these Fidget Toys as well, and I bought these also at Target for $3. As well, you can buy on Amazon, and I will have a link below for them. These also are fun to play with, bend and make them into different shapes. They also fold up nice and fit great into the gift bags. Here's an example of what a typical gift bag will look like. I always make sure to divvy up the candy evenly. Each of my kids will get the same amount of candy and, for the most part, the same amount of toys and treats inside. Then I get it all together and tie the top with a cute bow. I'll do this for each of my kids. To make them look more fun and festive, I will add a red bow to the top. And to label each of them, I will use these poofy heart-shaped stickers that I buy, usually a big bag of them, and with the adhesive I can stick them right on the bag, and then I will put each of my kids' initials so they know whose is whose. These are just some small little gifts. My kids look forward to them every year, but in the end, they just look forward to the holiday and all the fun traditions we do, all the stuff we do with hearts. It is a special time of year.